Welcome to episode 7. Don't worry, let's make money. Today, I'm going to talk about the feel-good feeling around lots of money. Your mood about money and how you interact with it. Interested in a faster SEO website? What about an speaking avatar on your website? I can do this and more. Just contact me or visit www.digitalmarketingsynergy.com. Looking to learn more about online marketing? How to market your business on Facebook, Instagram or any other popular social site? What about making money using Amazon? Visit my social media online marketing university at www.socialmediaonlinemarketinguniversity.com. Now let's get started about your mood. Moods are one of those unavoidable, mysterious parts of life that must be dealt with by everyone. Our understanding of moods greatly affects not only our wisdom and perspective but our overall level of satisfaction as well. Generally speaking, when our mood is high, our spirits are up. When our mood is low, our spirits are down. Moods are like the weather, constantly changing. The implications of moods as they related to money are significant. When we are low, we think of dissatisfactions more than when we feel good. We worry. We compare ourselves to others and convince ourselves that others are doing better than we are. We focus on our belief that making money is hard work. Perhaps we believe that there isn't enough money or opportunity to go around, or that people are selfish and out for themselves. The fascinating thing about moods is that, to a large degree, we only believe these negative, fearful, and self-defeating thoughts when our mood is low. Rather than believing that others are doing better than we are, or even spending energy comparing ourselves to them, we realize that we are all on different paths, doing the best we can. Instead of complaining that making money is hard work, we get a kick out of the entire process and see new ways to create abundance for ourselves and others. Rather than seeing limitations in the supply of money, we know that there is plenty to go around. Finally, instead of seeing people as selfish and out for themselves, we realize that most people are very generous and giving. And those who aren't have simply lost touch with their heart. So what do? The trick is to be grateful when your mood is high and graceful when it is low. Try to keep in mind the effect your mood is having on the way you are thinking and feeling. Your understanding of your mood will allow you to keep your perspective and not take so seriously the thoughts you are having when you are low. Rather than believing in your negative and fearful perceptions, you can dismiss them as being mood-related. The same dynamic applies to your creativity and your ability to create abundance. When you are in a low mood, don't make important business or life decisions. Don't force it. Your thinking and wisdom are not as sound as they will be in a higher state of mind. Resist the temptation to worry about your moods. Moods are always changing, and yours could change at any moment. Simply realizing that you are stuck in a mood usually raises your spirits. Again, don't worry. As your mood rises, your capacity to create will unfold. Quote, "Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment." Jim Rohn. Did you like episode 7? Do you think this episode could help someone? Why not ask them to follow me and listening to the full series as I create it? Comment below your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video. To your health and success.